Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you 12 days of program encoding. So how to start? First of all you need to choose your program, whether it is C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript. Choose any one of these. Second step is set up your development environment and install your language from the internet. If you don't know how to download the language of your software, just comment below. I will reply to your comment. And the third step is you just need to start from basics. Basics in the sense syntax. Every language has own unique syntax, like C having hash include sto.h and void main brackets curly braces. That's it. This is for C. And we have operators, if and condition statements, loops means while loop, for loop, etc. etc. And next, basic programs concept. Learn about functions, methods, class. So example, if you give a as an input, a equals to 6, any integer, and type a, it will give class type of it is an integer at the output. That's it. And the next practice, you just need to type first program. For every program you have seen hello world, just type on your and you will get some, you will understand what was going. And so writing simple programs like hello world, some operations like addition, subtractions using arithmetic operators. Use online resource like tutorials, point, W3 schools and more, and practice all the questions in the tutorials point and W3 schools weeks for weeks. That's it. Build simple projects like guessing number, simple calculator, etc. etc. Do the projects on advanced level, just like QR generator is one of the example for advanced level. So ఇంతే కాకుండా మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా అట్లీస్ట్ 1 to 2 programs అయితే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ ChatGPT and Google. You will understand, you need to understand what was going and how to get the output without any error. It's just on practice. Just do it.